Imagine a world where plastics are not the enemy. Picture a future where the materials we use every day do not harm our planet. Imagine they are not choking our oceans, piling up in landfills and leaching harmful chemicals. Instead, envision a scenario where these materials break down naturally and safely. This is the promise of bioplastics. These innovative materials are designed to be environmentally friendly and sustainable. Bioplastics offer a revolutionary approach to our material needs. They are not just an alternative, they are a better solution. They are made from renewable resources like cornstarch or sugarcane. These resources are abundant and can be replenished, unlike fossil fuels. This sets them apart from traditional plastics derived from fossil fuels. The production of bioplastics reduces our carbon footprint and reliance on non-renewable resources. Bioplastics have the potential to reshape our world. They can be used in a wide range of applications, from packaging to automotive parts. They can reduce our dependence on oil. By using renewable resources, we can create a more sustainable and resilient economy. They can help us combat plastic pollution. Bioplastics are designed to degrade more quickly and safely than traditional plastics, reducing the burden on our environment. They can contribute to a more sustainable future. By integrating bioplastics into our daily lives, we can make a significant impact on the health of our planet. This is not just a technological shift, it's a paradigm shift. It requires a change in how we think about materials and their impact on the environment. This essay delves into the fascinating world of bioplastics. We will explore their potential to transform industries and improve environmental outcomes. We will explore their various types and their economic impact. From cost savings to job creation, bioplastics offer numerous benefits. We will examine their environmental benefits. Bioplastics can help preserve our natural ecosystems and reduce pollution. And the challenges they face. From production costs to public perception, there are hurdles to overcome. Ultimately, we will look at the future of bioplastics. How will they evolve? And what role will they play in our society? And their potential to revolutionize our world. The possibilities are endless and the impact could be profound. Join me on this journey as we uncover the exciting possibilities of this game-changing material. Together, we can envision a brighter, more sustainable future. The world of bioplastics is diverse and fascinating. They are broadly categorized into two main types: biodegradable and bio-based. Biodegradable plastics break down naturally in the environment. They decompose into harmless substances like water and carbon dioxide. This process is aided by microorganisms. Examples include PLA and PHA. Bio-based plastics are made from renewable resources like plants. However, they may not necessarily be biodegradable. A prime example is bio-based polyethylene. It is made from sugarcane but doesn't easily break down. The bioplastics industry is burgeoning, showing rapid growth and innovation. It holds immense economic potential, attracting significant interest from investors and businesses alike. The global bioplastics market is expected to reach billions of dollars in the coming years, driven by technological advancements and increasing awareness. This growth is fueled by several factors, including innovation, policy support, and market demand. Increasing consumer demand for eco-friendly products is a major driver, as more people seek sustainable alternatives. Governments are also implementing policies to promote bioplastics, recognizing their environmental benefits. They are encouraging the use of sustainable materials, which helps reduce the carbon footprint. This creates a favorable environment for industry growth, attracting more investments and fostering innovation. Bioplastics offer a compelling solution to our plastic problem. They address the environmental concerns associated with traditional plastics. Biodegradability is a key advantage. Biodegradable bioplastics break down naturally in the environment. Moreover, bioplastics have a lower carbon footprint. They are made from renewable resources. These resources absorb carbon dioxide during their growth. This offsets the carbon emissions during bioplastic production. This makes bioplastics a more sustainable alternative to fossil fuel-based plastics. Section 5. The challenges of bioplastics. Bridging the gap. Despite the promise of bioplastics, challenges remain. Scaling up production to meet the growing demand is crucial. Current production levels of bioplastics are dwarfed by traditional plastics. Significant investments in infrastructure and technology are needed to bridge this gap. Bioplastics are generally more expensive to produce than traditional plastics. This makes them less competitive in the market. Research and development efforts are focused on finding cost-effective production methods. Section 6. The future of bioplastics, innovations and advancements. The future of bioplastics is brimming with possibilities. Scientists are constantly pushing the boundaries. They are developing new bioplastics with enhanced properties, improved biodegradability, increased durability, and enhanced heat resistance. Research is also underway to explore new feedstocks for bioplastics. Agricultural waste, algae, and other non-food sources are being investigated. This will further reduce the environmental impact of bioplastics. The future of bioplastics is bright, driven by innovation and sustainability. Section 7. Bioplastics in our everyday lives. Bioplastics are already making their way into our everyday lives. From the packaging of our food to the clothes we wear, these innovative materials are becoming more prevalent. They are used in a wide range of applications, offering sustainable alternatives to traditional plastics. Food packaging is a major sector where bioplastics are making a significant impact. These materials help reduce the reliance on petroleum-based plastics. Biodegradable bioplastics are used to make cups, plates, and containers. These products break down more easily in the environment, reducing waste. This reduces the environmental impact of single-use plastics, which are a major contributor to pollution and landfill waste. Bioplastics are also used in the textile industry, where they are being developed into bio-based fibers. Bio-based fibers are used to produce clothing, bags, and other textile products. These materials are not only sustainable, but also offer similar qualities to conventional fibers. These applications demonstrate the versatility and potential of bioplastics in various sectors. From everyday items to specialized medical tools, the possibilities are vast. Section 8. The role of consumers and policymakers. The transition to a bioplastic future requires a collective effort. Consumers play a vital role. By choosing products made from bioplastics, we can drive demand. Policymakers have a crucial role to play as well. They can implement policies that incentivize the use of bioplastics. Together, we can unlock the full potential of bioplastics. Section 9. Towards a sustainable future. Embracing bioplastics. Bioplastics represent a beacon of hope in our quest for a sustainable future. They offer a viable solution to the plastic pollution crisis. They provide a pathway to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. By embracing bioplastics, we are not just choosing a different material, we are choosing a different future. Let us embrace the potential of bioplastics and work together to create a world where sustainability and innovation go hand in hand. Welcome to Educational Biology. Are you passionate about unlocking the secrets of life? From cells to ecosystems, we simplify biology to help you learn and explore the wonders of science. Subscribe for clear explanations, exciting experiments, and engaging visuals. Like to support our mission of making biology fun and accessible to everyone? Share with fellow students, teachers, and science enthusiasts. Let's grow together in our journey of discovery. Subscribe now, learn biology science made simple. As we continue our journey towards a sustainable future, remember that education is a powerful tool. By understanding the intricate balance of our ecosystems and the impact of human actions, we can make informed decisions that benefit both our planet and future generations. Join us at Educational Biology to delve deeper into the wonders of life sciences. Whether you are a student, teacher, or simply a curious mind, we provide the resources you need to explore and appreciate the natural world. Together, we can foster a community that values science and sustainability. Subscribe to our channel, engage with our content, and be part of the movement that prioritizes knowledge and environmental stewardship. The future is bright, and it starts with each of us. Let's make a difference, one discovery at a time.